Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass. Today's lesson. I play soccer on Mondays. Vocabulary, days of the week and sports.
On Mondays we play soccer.
On Tuesdays I play basketball.
On Wednesdays I play volleyball.
On Thursdays they play handball.
On Fridays she swims.
On Saturdays they run.
On Sundays they relax. Let's review. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Good job! Now, let's review the sports. Soccer, basketball, volleyball, handball, swimming, running, relax. It's your turn. Repeat after me. Soccer, basketball, volleyball, handball, swimming, running, relax. Good job! What about like, share and subscribe the channel?